Good morning all. Myself NIKITHA. I am currently pursuing BTech second year in the Department of Artificial Intelligence and Data Science. Today I am going to explain about waterfall model in software engineering. What is a waterfall model? Waterfall model is mainly used in the designing a system. Designing a system in software development. Software development is mainly utilized by software life cycle. What is the life cycle of software engineering? Firstly, the system can enhance the design is mainly based on the life cycle of software development. If this waterfall model is mainly divided into 5 phases. The 5 phases can be interact with this software development and enhance the system to improve their design. So here software development has divided into 5 phases in waterfall model. That is, first one is requirement analysis. Requirement analysis. What is requirement analysis? The system. While you are taking an example of online store. In online store, the requirement what the searching the item or the product based on your scenario. So the searching and a product, the online store can getting the options of searching, and the product is mainly in the part of that system. So this is the requirement scenario. Taking an example of online store. The person can enhance the software system. The online store must contain the username login page. The people have to mainly approach this online store that having that user and the product analysis. So that is the requirement analysis of waterfall model. This is the first phase of waterfall model. And the second phase is the system design. System design. Here I take an example of online store, right? Online store, the system is the systematic, the functions without getting any errors, and how the implementation of the store without facing any problems in the system. So this requirement analysis mainly approach to the system design. So this is the second phase of waterfall model, and the third phase is implementation. In software engineering, the user can get a product on the online store is mainly used the account of user names and the product scenario. That the software design is mainly based on the system design. System design is that without getting any errors, the online store is getting smooth and without any solution. So this is called the system design. And third one is the implementation. In software engineering, mainly the implementation of the waterfall model is to write a code for the user and online and for the login page, right? That the website can be related to your online store. That people have to search for the product on their users. They want the implementation. Before writing the code only, you are getting a login page on the website in software engineering. That is the implementation. And this is the third phase of waterfall model. And fourth phase is the deployment. Deployment means, here I take an example of online store, right? In online store, the quality and without any product scenarios and helping the people to exclusively the item or the product in easily manner, that is the deployment. And this is the fourth phase of waterfall model. And the fifth phase is maintenance. If you are working on the online store, you should have to maintain the product or the online website in software engineering is very important. So these 5 are the phases of waterfall model, and this mainly is the requirement of waterfall model in software engineering. And coming to the applications of waterfall model. Applications of waterfall model. Application. The waterfall model is mainly based on the software development, right? Software development is the scenario to working on the websites, on the user IDs, on login page is opened for all the users and the networking purpose. That is called one of the applications for the waterfall model. And coming to the advantages, in this online store or using the example of waterfall model, here we are getting very easily on the basics of the items and the products. For example, you are going to take an example of Amazon. You are searching for the product of anything, but the product is mainly displayed on the login page, right? So that's how the waterfall model is mainly used in software engineering. And coming to the disadvantages, in these websites we are getting some problems by connecting the accounts or anything. So that's the advantages and disadvantages of the waterfall model. And mainly these 5 phases are interact with another phase and mainly approach the systematic analysis. So that's why waterfall model is used for the designing the requirement analysis. So that's how the waterfall model is used in a software engineering to develop the software development, to make the requirement analysis and deployment on maintaining the process each and everything by using the websites and each and everything. So this is how the waterfall model is used in software engineering, and thank you.